Hey, so it's Alan. Right here we have a regular looking, um, non-fun. I guess the color changing makes it a little fun. Um, Website. We have the a nav. Well, it's supposed to be a nav bar, but I just wrote I am nav because I'm lazy. I am body, and I am footer at the bottom. Now let's see how this code is structured in my project. Um, so yeah, as you can see, I have three folders: body, footer, and nav. And then I have the index.html. In this index.html, I have in the head the reset, CSS, main, body, nav, and footer, all within the head. And then here, I have three divs with IDs, nav, body, footer, and 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 then I have three other divs with the class load HTML. So essentially, what we're going to discuss here is HTML partials, and what partials are is just uh, it's HTML that you're able to load into another container. So we have uh, body HTML, footer HTML, and nav HTML that we're gonna load into this index.html. And by the way, I think body is a dumb name here. I should have named it something else, but so be it. It's body for now. Yeah. So let's discuss how do we load the HTML into. Oh, okay. Well, let's speed this up then. Let's discuss how we're gonna load this HTML into not this HTML, but these partials into this HTML here. So we're going to use jQuery. There's other libraries that you can use, but we're just going to use jQuery because I quickly Googled how to do this. So we're going to get each class that has the load HTML. Each element that has a class, load HTML. And then we're going to iterate over that. So remember that whenever we try to get a class from the DOM, it's gonna give us an array. So we are able to use the .each method, and it'll iterate over each one of these elements. And attached to each one of these elements, we have an attribute called data container. Now, the data container, all it does is it has the value of the ID of each one of these divs here. So, all right, and we're doing a little concatenation here because we really want this ID. So we're concatenating it to a hashtag. And as you can see, we're using this variable down here. So this evaluates into the ID for, like, it looks like this. I'll just do this. Boom. Looks like that. If you can't see it, but yeah. And then we're getting another attribute called data source. So we're essentially this is the path to the nav HTML, the body HTML, footer HTML, the relative path. By the way, I should say that from this index.html. And so we're calling the load method to, oh, geez, is at 4%. All right, 1 second. Man, sorry, dying fast. I guess I can cut this. So I'm back. So we're calling the load method to load these files here, which again is the relative path from this index.html file. Now, the way that I structure this, I do have a main.css at the top and a reset CSS that will affect the entire application, and so will these other styling sheets. but the goal is to, like, if I wanted to, and I guess I'll get into this right now. Um, It'll be good practice to, like, here you go. So only affecting the paragraph tags that are within the body HTML, because I have ID equals body. And as you can see, instead of body HTML, I don't have, let's see here, I don't have the dot type, I don't have HTML, I don't have none of these tags, because these have already been described inside the index.html. I don't know what change I made, but oh, let me get rid of that. Save. So these have already been, like I said, everything has already been described in the index.html. And so take a look at the CSS of, I think, oh, never mind, there's nothing in there. Oh yeah, so in the main CSS, I sort of had some styling changes here, with, like, I want all paragraph tags to have the color white. The body should be relative because I wanted to move the footer to the bottom, and the body container width 100%, height 1000, so I can, like, scroll, you know, blah blah blah. And so yeah, that's pretty much it that I really wanted to show you. I don't think there was anything. Oh, and I can show you the JavaScript here, just randomly changing the background color with an hex, which I literally just got from Stack Overflow. But yeah, I just wanted to show you another way to structure your projects and to hopefully avoid merge conflicts going forward. But yeah, so, and now you know a new keyword, HTML partials. That's it. Yeah, later.